Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala.
Lying on the chest, chin on the ground. अभी अपना body उठाओ and take the block behind, pass it on to the left hand and come in front, hand it over to the right and keep changing and keep breathing. Keep your head and chest lifted up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, breathe nicely. Chalo, other side. Let us get ready. Hold the block in the left hand and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax your forehead on the block. Now, lying on the chest, please observe. Hold the block between your feet. Between your feet. ठीक है? यहाँ पे पकड़ा है, दोनों पैर के बीच में. Now, lift your head and chest up. Inhale, you push your hands behind as if you want to grab the block. चलो, you may keep it slightly bent also, no problem. अगर जो block नहीं पकड़ सकते, just do it as it is. Keep fold your legs.